guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are all well today. So today's video is a pretty exciting one. It is now currently, what time is it? It is now currently almost 11 PM and today I got a really exciting PR delivery and I honestly could not even wait to film with it. I was not planning on filming tonight, but Anthony actually came home from work and all of my PR deliveries actually get delivered to his shop, and he brought home a PR box from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I mean I always get really excited when I get deliveries from Anastasia anyway, but I did kind of guess what this one was going to be and I got like very excited about it. So I was actually like ready for bed. I was in my pajamas, I had no makeup on, and I just kind of thought, do you know what, I'm just gonna quickly throw on some makeup, shove my hair in a bun and review this makeup product because I'm really excited about it and I'm sure loads of you guys are going to be excited about it as well. So before I jump right in and show you what it is, I mean you already know what it is from the title of this video, please hit the subscribe button if you are new here. My name is Belle and I make makeup videos and stuff. So I'm so excited. So this is what turned up today. This is the Amrezy or Amrezy. I say Amrezy, but a lot of people say Amrezy, so I don't know if I'm saying it wrong. Oh, look at this PR box. I'm so excited about this. It goes really cute with this pink backdrop as well, I think. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. So this is what the inside of the PR package looks like. This is a beautiful PR package. I am very lucky to receive quite a few PR packages, and this one is definitely one of the most stunning ones that I've ever received. I think that it's just visually so beautiful. I love all of the stars, and can we just talk about this phone case? Oh my goodness. This isn't even gonna fit on my phone and I'm so upset. This one, I take it this one is for like iPhone 6 to 8 plus because I think that they're all the same size. And then this one is for the 6 plus, 7 plus and 8 plus? No, not the plus. What am I talking about? This one is for the 6, 7 and iPhone 8. I believe. I was a bit of an idiot and got the iPhone 10 and I wasn't actually regretting getting this phone. I don't really mind it that much, but now I'm regretting it. It doesn't fit. Maybe I could just like tape it onto my phone. But yeah, in all seriousness, I actually cannot use these. So what I was actually thinking I may do with these phone cases, because these are actually exclusive to the PR boxes and because they are so cute with this gold glitter in there, I was actually thinking that I will just give them away to 2 of my lovely subscribers. So if you do want to win one of these, all you need to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure that you are following my Instagram, and then like this video and leave a little comment down below with some of the sparkle emojis. I'll put some on the screen here so you know which one I'm talking about, and also saying which phone you have. So, and then I'll basically pick 2 winners. So yeah, and then I'll send this to you, and I may even send you a makeup product or 2, so if you do want to enter and win one of these, then yeah. Okay, so before I get into testing out the highlighter itself, I am just going to give you a little bit more information on this highlighter. So I'm absolutely sure that most of you guys already know who Amrezy is. She is a huge influencer. She actually has 5.5 million followers. That's a lot of followers, man. So this is actually Amrezy's second collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills. She did actually make a palette with them a few years ago, and I think that was actually my first palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'll actually put a little picture of it here. If you are interested in purchasing this highlighter, it's going to be available on the Anastasia website on the 14th of February. And it will also be available in other retailers as well. So I'm guessing Sephora, and they're also sold on Beauty Bay and I think Cult Beauty in the UK. So it will, I have a feeling it may be on those websites, but if it's not, then don't worry because Anastasia do also have a UK website if you weren't already aware. I'm going to get into the fun part of the video and start swatching and testing this little guy out for you. I love the packaging. I'm so obsessed with the packaging. Like the stars, like the rose gold stars are just, oh, they're just so cute. So on the back it says that it's an illuminating powder with an ultra smooth formula and radiant finish, and it does also have the leaping bunny on the back as well, if any of you guys were wondering about that. So if you are cruelty free, then you can definitely buy and enjoy this little bad boy. So this is what the highlighter looks like up close. It's got this really pretty kind of wave to it. But in terms of the shade itself, I would say that this is kind of a warm white gold. I can't stop looking at it. It's just so pretty. I think that this would be quite suitable for a lot of skin tones. Obviously there is only one shade, so it isn't going to be suitable for everybody, which is kind of a bit of a downside, but hopefully if this one does well, then fingers crossed they will actually just bring out more shades of this formula. So here is the moment of truth. I'm going to have a feel of this formula and see how it feels. Oh, it feels like really soft. I actually think that this one seems a lot silkier than my other Anastasia highlighters, so my glow kits and also my single highlighters as well. I do think that this is a different formula, and I do think that it's definitely more glowy. I'm just going to put a swatch on my hand so you can see how it applies. So that is the swatch there. That is so glowy. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I feel like that is just so reflective. It's kind of just bouncing my lights just straight off my hand. Woo. Okay, so here comes the fun bit of this entire video. I am going to test out this highlighter and see how it applies. I've actually got two different brushes to use. I'm going to use a Morphe Y14 brush, and I'm also going to use a fan brush. This one is the Y13, so we've got Y13 and Y14. I think I'm actually going to I think I might use the fan brush first. Yeah. I haven't used a fan brush to apply my highlighter in so long, and I don't really know why, because I do actually think I prefer a fan brush. Oh my god, look at that. What? This formula is just something else. It actually looks really smooth over my skin as well, which is such a big thing, because I find a lot of the time with highlighters, especially highlighters that are really glowy, most of the time they actually emphasize my pores, which is really annoying. So obviously, you know, I'll get that glow, but it also emphasizes all of the texture underneath it. I think I actually have just found my new holy grail highlighter. This is just, oh. Okay, so I'm going to use the Y14 packer brush to do the other side, although I don't really know why, because I really liked how the fan brush applied, but I'm just going to use this brush anyway. I just cannot get over how glowy this is. I do feel like you can definitely use this as a natural highlight as well. You can just build it up to the intensity that you want it, because when you first apply it, it's not just like straight away intense. It is like something that you can just build up. So I've actually only put a tiny bit on this side so far. So this is actually a little bit more of a natural glow, and then this is obviously way more intense. So I think I'm actually just going to leave it like that, just so that you can kind of see the difference. But I love it. I think I'm absolutely obsessed. I am so obsessed. Okay, I'm actually going to put some on my nose as well, because I just, you know, want to be visible to outer space. So a little bit more, and a little bit more, and more, and more, and more. So we'll see how this looks on the brow bone as well. And then I'm also going to pop some on my inner corner. I feel like this highlighter has just solved every single problem that I had in my life. Oh my god, look how glowy I am. I look like a little glowworm. It's just completely blown me away. I am so happy with this. I'm gonna be using this Oh, I hope this isn't limited edition, because if it's a limited edition, I might have to buy some more. I'm giving this a rave review. There's nothing bad that I can say about it. I just think that it's beautiful. So yeah, I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and this review. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And yeah, I will see you guys on my next video.